Hello mga ka-learning! This is Teacher Jaay. Welcome back to Learning for All Seasons. In today's lesson, I shall discuss part 4 on how nouns change their meanings in plural forms. I hope that you will learn something from this video after watching it. Let's have some rules that govern the number of many nouns. Singular nouns change their meanings when made plural. Let's have the following examples. Paper, papers. Paper means writing material used for printing or drawing on, while papers are official documents. Work, works. Work means activity or exertion, labor, toil, while works is the product of mental labor as literary, paintings, or sculpture. Property, properties. Property means wealth or belongings or real estate, while properties means characteristics, chemical properties, or elements. Talk, talks. Talk means conversation, while talks means speeches. Ash, ashes. Ash means residue, while ashes means remains of a human body or of fire. Water, waters. Water means for drinking or wash, while waters are rivers, lakes, seas, or oceans. Good, goods. Good means benefit, while goods means possession. Instruction, instructions. Instruction means knowledge. Instructions means orders, directions, or commands. Iron, irons. Iron means material, while irons means curling irons, ball, and chains for criminals. A few English nouns have two plurals, but usually with some difference in meaning. Let's have the following examples. Brother, brothers, brethren. Brothers means relatives, while brethren means members of the same society. Cloth, cloths, clothes. Cloths means pieces of cloth. Clothes means garments. Dye, dyes, dyes. Dyes means for stamping or for making screws. Dice means for gaming. Foot, foot, feet. Foot means infantry, while feet means parts of the body. Head, head, heads. Head means of cattle, while heads means in the ordinary sense. Horse, horse, horses. Horse means cavalry. Horses means animal. Penny, pennies, pence. Pennies means multiple coins, while pence means collectively or unit of currency. Sail, sail, sails. Sail means vessels in a fleet, while sails means on vessels. Some nouns may be used in the singular or in the plural form and take the singular or the plural verbs depending upon their meanings. Let's have the following examples. Candy, candies. Candy means sweetmeats in general, while candies means different varieties of candy. Corn, corns. Corn means product. Corns means varieties of corn. Fish, fishes. Fish means in general, while fishes means varieties of fish. Food, foods. Food means in general, Foods means varieties of food. Nickel, nickels. Nickel means metal, while nickels means coins. Tin, tins. Tin means metal, while tins means tin dishes or cans. Mail, mails. Mail means letters, while mails means conveyances for mail. Cannon, cannons. Cannon means collectively or mounted guns, while cannons means hollow cylinders. Hair, hairs. Hair means collectively, while hairs means several white hairs. Linen, linens. Linen means commodity, while linens means kinds of linen. Meat, meats. Meat means in general, while meats means varieties of meat. Tea, teas. Tea means product, while teas means varieties of tea. Fruit, fruits. Fruit means in general, while fruits means varieties of fruit. And now, let us test what you have learned. You have to choose the suitable words to use in the following sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. The audience listened to the talks of several speakers. The answer is talks. The taxes of some of the properties have not been paid for. The answer is property. Maria encouraged us to read the works of Shakespeare. The answer is works. They wrote notes on some sheets of papers. The answer is paper. Every time I go and get my mails, I feel nervous. The answer is mail. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that I share some information that might answer your queries regarding the plurals of nouns. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the bell for new updates. See you again to my next video.